Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are tackling a topic that is often not openly discussed and it affects a significant portion of adults worldwide. Constipation. It is a condition that can range from mild inconvenience to severely debilitating. Today we'll explore the causes, types of constipation and share 10 natural remedies that could provide relief. Before we explore solutions, let's understand the problem. Constipation typically involves passing fewer than 3 stools a week. Hard stools, straining, and feeling like there's a blockage. But did you know there are two main types? One is primary and second is secondary constipation. Primary constipation is all about neuromuscular issues in the digestive tract, while the secondary constipation stems from other health conditions or medications. Symptoms can vary widely, from bloating and cramping to a noticeable decrease in appetite and general lethargy. But what's behind these symptoms? Factors like not drinking enough water, a diet that is low in fiber, excessive stress, and underlying health issues play a significant role. So here are some natural remedies for relief from constipation. First are fibers. Fiber isn't just a buzzword. It's your digestive tract's best friend, aiding in both bulk and movement. Whether it's through leafy greens, fruits like kiwis, pears, oranges, apricots, and apples, or grains, incorporating a variety of fiber sources can significantly impact your bowel health. But not all fibers are same. We've got insoluble fibers, which speeds up the passage of food through the stomach. Then we have soluble fibers, which absorb water to soften the stools. Some examples of insoluble fibers include those which we get from wheat bran, vegetables, and whole grains. The examples of soluble fibers include those which we get from oat bran, barley, nuts, seeds, beans, lentils, peas, and some fruits and vegetables. Psyllium, which is a non-fermentable soluble fiber, is often hailed as a top choice for easing constipation. Second, stay hydrated. Water is the essence of life, and being dehydrated regularly can make a person constipated. Regular dehydration can lead to hardened stools, making them more difficult to pass. So aim for about 1.8 to 2 liters of water daily. But remember, your needs may vary based on your activity level, your size, and the climate you live in. Some people with irritable bowel syndrome find that carbonated drinks worsen their symptoms. So these individuals may wish to avoid sparkling water and other carbonated drinks. Third, you should exercise regularly. Our bodies were made to move, and so was our digestive system. Physical activity helps stimulate intestinal activity. So even a daily walk can make a big difference. And what should be your goal? It should be about 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week. Fourth is coffee. For some people, consuming coffee can increase the urge to go to the bathroom. This is because coffee stimulates the muscles in the digestive system. Coffee may also contain small amounts of soluble fibers that help prevent constipation by improving the balance of gut bacteria. Fifth is the optimal posture and relaxation. Did you know the way you sit on the toilet seat can affect your ability to go? An optimal squat position with knees higher than hips can align the rectum in a way that makes it easier to pass a stool. Sixth, herbal laxatives like senna. Senna is a popular, safe, and effective herbal laxative that helps treat constipation. Its leaves and fruit may be used as a natural laxative. Senna contains plant compounds like glycosides which stimulate the nerves in the gut and help speed up bowel movements. It takes around 8 hours to work and it is considered safe for a short period of time. But people should consult a doctor if their symptoms do not go away after a few days. It is not recommended for pregnant women, those who are breastfeeding, or people with certain health conditions such as inflammatory bowel diseases. And long-term use is not advisable as it can lead to dependency and higher doses are eventually needed to get the same effect. Seventh, probiotics. Some people who have chronic constipation have an imbalance of bacteria in their gut. Probiotics found in yogurt, sauerkraut, and supplements can help restore this balance, improving constipation. They help treat constipation by producing short-chain fatty acids, and these may improve gut movements, making it easier to pass a stool. Eighth are prunes and prune juice. This dried fruit is a great source of fiber, which helps move food through your digestive system. Eating a few prunes may encourage bowel movement. While prune juice lacks the fiber of the dried fruit, both are high in sorbitol. And sorbitol is a type of sugar that can pass quickly through the gut and draws water into the gut. This can help bulk up the stool and stimulate a bowel movement. So just a few prunes a day can make a significant difference. Ninth are prebiotic foods. Prebiotics are indigestible carbohydrate fiber. Prebiotic fibers improve digestive health by feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut, which boosts probiotic and improves the balance of the gut bacteria. In fact, some prebiotics can help increase the frequency of bowel movements as well as make the stool softer. So prebiotic foods include chicory, garlic, onions, banana, leeks and chickpeas. But garlics and onions may not be helpful for some people. They can trigger symptoms in people with irritable bowel syndrome. 10th is magnesium citrate. Magnesium citrate is a gentle osmotic laxative which draws water into the intestine to soften stool. It is a simple, effective remedy for occasional constipation. So while constipation is a common issue, it is not one you have to live with. Through dietary changes, lifestyle adjustments, and natural supplements, relief is within your reach. Remember, these tips are meant to guide you, but everyone's body is different. And if you are struggling with constipation despite trying these remedies, it might be time to consult a healthcare professional. If you have found success with any of these remedies, or if you have other tips and experiences to share, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and subscribe for more content on living your healthiest life. Thank you.